Bitcoin breaks out to the upside and blasts off, hitting $1 trillion market cap faster than some notable companies like Amazon and Google. What is going on, guys? I am Doge Lore on Crypto, and today we will be downloading a lore about what is next for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and crypto land. If you've been living under a rock this past month, let's bring you up to speed. Bitcoin's price has nearly doubled, gaining about 75%, starting at $32,000 and now trading at roughly $56,000. And Bitcoin has absolutely been crushing it, surpassing the $1 trillion market cap. So what's next? In the long term, we can continue to see Bitcoin blasting to the moon, especially as all those previous talks about payment methods with Bitcoin becoming a reality and integrated into the norm. In the short term, though, we will have to be taking a look, especially at these next 2 to 3 weeks, and watching Bitcoin very closely. Without going too heavy into the TA, we can see in the past few days, Bitcoin has been in a rising channel with a key breakout of around $60,000, which basically means that if we can reach $60,000, we can see another huge gainage for Bitcoin in the short term. Now, we have to keep in mind that Bitcoin can fall in price, and we should continue to look at the first level of support of the 20-day moving average, which is currently around $52,000 to $53,000. If Bitcoin holds this level of support as it has been in this past week alone, that could be a very strong sign and a healthy indication that we are still very bullish for Bitcoin in the short term. So if Bitcoin is able to reach 60,000, then we can see a massive breakout as we have seen previously when we hit the $1 trillion market cap. And if Bitcoin can hold the 20-day moving average, then we can possibly see some sideways trading in the few weeks to come. Ethereum has been teasing us the past couple of weeks and has been mainly sideways trading in this rising channel for the last few days. But Ethereum has finally broken that eye-catching $2,000, as you can see on the screen. So what is next for Ethereum in both the long run and the short term? What is Ethereum's next breakout target when it leaves this rising channel for the upside? And where can we see Ethereum heading to next? In the long run, the attention for Ethereum will only continue to grow. It has the second largest market cap, and is most notably the next coin large companies will look to adopt. With all the attention that we could possibly see in the future, we could see a very bullish run for Ethereum to come. Now in the short term, we actually have to drill into Ethereum and look to see what it has done and what it is currently doing to understand what it could possibly do for the next 2 to 3 weeks. And that is that, can we see Ethereum hold this $2,000 level and make a few hourly and 4-hourly closes to show that there is support before breaking out to the upside? And if Ethereum is able to hold on to that $2,000 mark, then if we take a quick look at the Fib levels, we can see that in a breakout scenario for Ethereum, we would be focusing around that $2,150 to $2,170 mark as the next area of resistance that we would have to overcome, and using the $2,000 mark as our support. Now, while I will not be covering any specific altcoins and will be leaving that for future lore, it is worth noting the absolute overwhelming gainage that the altcoin market has seen since the start of February 2021. We have doubled the overall market cap at the peak alone this month. And to top it off, we have completely surpassed the previous all-time high that was set in the previous bull run back in January 2018. Now, I don't know about you guys, but if this is not a sign that we are in the midst of Altseason, then I don't really know what is. So while we are keeping our eyes focused on Bitcoin and Ethereum, we have to keep note of other altcoins that may be also blasting off alongside and in parallel with the two main coins of crypto. And with that, I am Doge Lore on Crypto, and if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and drop a comment down below. Let's all strap up tight for Blastoff.